Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am present before you today with the solution of question 9 of your exercise 13a. In this question, he has given two parallel chords. In this question, there are two cases for the distance between the two parallel chords. If the chords are on the opposite sides of the center of the circle, and the second case is if the chords are on the same side of the center of the circle. I will discuss both the cases here. Please see carefully, like and subscribe my video. Okay, come to the point. This is question 9. The lengths of two parallel chords of a circle are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. So first case, I will write it first case. If this is a circle with two chords opposite side of the center of the circle, this is one chord and this is the other chord. One is longer than the other. 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. Let AB is 6 centimeters and CD is 8 centimeters. The radius of the circle is, join A to O. Radius of the circle is given 5 centimeters. According to the first property, angle property of the circle, if perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. So let's suppose this perpendicular from O to the chord AB bisect AB at M. So this distance will be 3 and this will also be the 3 because chord is bisected. Similarly with this perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisect the chord. So this length will be, if this is 8, this will be 4. And this also will be the 4 centimeters. We have to find the distance between the chords. So if this point is N, then we will get two right angle triangles. One is MAO and the other is NCO. So first we will consider the triangle MAO. In triangle MAO, AM square plus OM square is equals to 5 square, OA square, which is hypotenuse. Here we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. AM is 3 square plus OM is unknown, OM square is equals to OA is 5. So we will get 9 plus OM square is equals to 25 and OM square is equals to 16. OM is equals to 4 centimeters. By using triangle ONC or OCN, in triangle ONC, join O to C This OC is 5, which is because this is radius of the circle. Again apply here Pythagoras theorem. ON square plus NC square is equals to OC square. Your ON is unknown, ON square, NC is 4 is equals to 5 square. So ON square plus 16 is equals to 25. ON square is equals to 25 minus 16, 9, and ON is equals to 3 centimeters. So the distance between M and N will be MN. So MN is equals to OM plus ON. MN is equals to OM is 4 and ON is 3. So MN is equal to 7 centimeters. Now in second case, if chords are on the same side of the circle, if second case, chords are on the same side of the circle. So this is the circle, this is the center of the circle, one is this chord and the other is this chord. So shorter is AB and longer is CD. This is O. Again, when we will draw the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord, bisect the chord, so CD will be divided into 4, 4. Same, extend this perpendicular to AB. This will be divided into 3, 3 centimeters. Now, for the distance between the chords, at CD the point is N and at AB is the point M. Again, consider the triangle OCD, ODN. In triangle, join O to C or O to D, same things. So O to C. In triangle OCN, in triangle ONC, in triangle ONC, ON square plus NC square, ON square plus NC square is equals to OC square. Using the Pythagoras theorem again, your ON is unknown, ON square plus NC is 4 and OC is 5. So you will get ON square plus 16 is equals to 25. ON square is equals to 9 and ON is equals to 3 centimeters. Now using triangle OMAO, yeah, MOB, anyways you can use the triangles. Triangle MOB. In triangle MBO, in triangle MBO, OM square plus MB square is equals to OB square. Now OM square is unknown. OM square plus MB is 3 is equals to OB is 5 square. The OM square plus 9 is equals to 25. OM square is equals to 16. OM is equals to 4 centimeters. Now the distance between the chords is MN. So for the distance MN is equals to OM minus ON. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1 centimeter. MN is equals to 1 centimeter. That's it for this question 9 of your book. This is little bit difficult question. See this question again and again, then you will clearly understand about the solution of this question. Hope you will understand this question very well. I have tried to explain this question very easy manner. Okay students, see you for the next video. Allah Hafiz.